When considering Church Office Online for your church management needs, there are a few things you should know before committing to it. It's a popular tool among churches, but how does it stack up against the competition? Let's dive into 12 key points you need to consider before buying. First off, Church Office Online offers a simple and intuitive interface. While it doesn't have the most advanced features compared to others like Breeze or Planning Center, it's still a solid choice for smaller churches looking for basic functions like managing member databases and contributions. Next thing, it's cloud-based. That means you can access your church's information from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. This is a great feature if you have a dispersed team or need to access your data on the go. However, keep in mind that if your church relies heavily on offline operations, this may not be the best fit. The third thing you should know is about pricing. Church Office Online is relatively affordable, but it operates on a subscription model. So, while the upfront costs might be lower than competitors, this could add up over time. Competitors like ACS Technologies offer more robust solutions, but at a higher cost. The fourth thing to consider is its integration with other tools. While Church Office Online integrates with some third-party tools, it's not as seamless or broad as other software like Fellowship One or Planning Center, which provide a wider range of integrations. Moving on to its member management features. Church Office Online lets you keep track of members' contact information, attendance, and contributions, but it lacks some of the advanced features that other software provides, like automated attendance tracking or in-depth reporting. The sixth point is its mobile app. Church Office Online does have a mobile app, but it's not as user-friendly or feature-rich as what you get with other software like Breeze or PushPay. This could be a deal breaker if your team depends on mobile access for real-time updates. Next thing, customer support. Church Office Online offers solid support through email and phone, but it doesn't have the 24/7 chat support that some competitors like Planning Center provide. If you need immediate assistance, you might find the response times a bit slower. The eighth thing to note is its reporting capabilities. Church Office Online provides basic reports on giving, attendance, and finances. However, it lacks more complex and customizable reporting options that some larger churches might need. Next thing, security. Church Office Online takes security seriously, using encryption to protect your church's data. However, it doesn't have as many advanced security features like multi-factor authentication that other more premium church management software platforms offer. The 10th point, automation. Church Office Online automates some tasks like reminders for contributions, but it's not as comprehensive as tools like Breeze or ChurchTrack, which offer more robust automation features. The 11th thing is its learning curve. While Church Office Online is relatively easy to use, it may take a little time to get accustomed to the system, especially if you're used to more feature-rich platforms. It's a simpler solution, but that can be a benefit or a drawback depending on your church's needs. Lastly, while Church Office Online is a reliable choice, it might not be the best fit for larger churches with more complex needs. Its features are more basic compared to some competitors, so it's perfect for small to medium-sized churches, but may fall short if your church requires advanced features and customization. In conclusion, Church Office Online is a solid church management option, especially if you're looking for something simple and affordable. But if you're after a more feature-packed solution, we recommend trying out a competitor like Breeze, which offers a 7-day free trial to explore what it can do for your church.